This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now. And we're off the elevator on the 5th floor. Very well kept common area. The second highest floor in the building. And then down this hall is your unit. It's nice natural light as you walk through. So, a quiet unit at the end of the hall. There's your front door. The door on your left is a stairwell you can take to get to the ground floor. This is the unit. So this is a bi-level apartment. It's a really wonderful and useful layout. So here on your, right here in front of you is either your second bedroom or an office, den, whatever you'd like to call it. You have a nice closet there that's deep that easily fits coats, shoes, etc. And then over here is your desk and a window. You open this blind. has a view of the courtyard of this building. Again, you have this closet here that easily fits shirts, more storage. So it's a nice storage space. And we'll also include a floor plan with this video that we send you so you can see the exact size of the room. The tent has a few storage pieces there. You can fit some more clothes and hats at the entrance here. So before we head up into the main bedroom or the loft space, we'll check out the first floor. On your right here is your stackable washer and dryer. To the left, it's a half bath, a convenient half bath with medicine cabinet, vanity, storage under the vanity, which is very convenient. And then here, you have huge ceilings, really nice hardwood floors, and lots of natural light. Show you this edge of this side of the room. You have a view of Center City, which I'll show you in a minute. But it's a huge living area, like, you know, easily fit storage pieces, dining room table, living room furniture, TV, you name it. Then obviously you have the view of Center City here. And again, you're on the top floor, so there's very little road noise up here. Then up there is your loft space that I've told you about before. And in here to the left is your kitchen. So this tenant has a lot of storage pieces. They have this piece, this table, that bar cart, that storage piece, that storage piece. It does not come with the unit, but shows what you can or don't have to do. This is your dishwasher. There's a built-in microwave, sink, nice cabinetry, refrigerator. The tenant's cleaning the grates, but it's a gas range and oven, which everybody wants. Okay, so now we head up to the second floor of the unit. So there's a nice closet space here. Fit shirts, shoes, you name it. That's your full bathroom right there. And it's a really nice sized bedroom. Obviously, you know, more than enough room for a bed, rug, it's a additional desk space if you'd like. Now I am about 5'9", and there is, I'd say, 6+ inches of space above my head to give you height. So there's a nice height here. It's the bedroom, loft space. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. And then over the balcony, as you saw before from down there, that's your living room. Again, here's your bathroom. Vanity, sink, toilet, shower, tub combo. And that's the apartment. Beautiful apartment. Very versatile, nice natural light, but private and quiet. Great views. It's a fantastic apartment. Let us know if you have any questions. Check out the floor plan. And if you're interested, we can show you ASAP. Have a great day.